Go to NexusMods. Make sure you're signed in. Now go to Games, Stardew Valley. Click on it. Go to Kitty Scarecrow. Should say XNB on it somewhere. Now go to Better Artifact, Dig Spots. Now go to Animal Crossing, not the game, it's a mod. Dig Spot. That'll replace the worms with Animal Crossings. Easy Fishing, XNB. I covered this one in the previous tutorial. Haley, more outfits. I think she's kind of rude, so I don't think she deserves outfits, but hey, you can totally do whatever. Bird feed, Scarecrow. It'll replace your Scarecrow with a bird feeder. Easy Fish. Persona 5 Morgana. Vending machine. There's a few spots for vending machines. Linus Tech Tips. Yes, that Linus. Basically, it's just sprites and portraits. Nothing fancy. Jackie's Elegant Cursor. So you can change your cursor if you find it boring, which is kind of cool. That's most of the mods that are XNB files. That's not all of them, but that's 95% of them.